Best new stocks to buy now, mid-2025. Investing in the stock market requires a combination of research, timing, and a bit of risk-taking. While established companies offer stability, new and emerging stocks often provide higher growth potential. As of mid-2025, here are some of the best new stocks to consider adding to your portfolio, based on industry trends, innovation, and growth prospects. 1. ARM Holdings, ARM. ARM Holdings, a leader in semiconductor and chip architecture, has gained strong momentum since its recent IPO. With the AI boom and demand for energy-efficient processors, ARM is becoming a key player in the future of mobile, IoT, and data center technologies. The company's partnerships with NVIDIA and Apple further boost its potential. 2. Reddit Incorporated, RDDT. Reddit's IPO in early 2024 brought a unique social media platform to the public market. Unlike traditional platforms, Reddit focuses on community-driven content. The company is exploring new monetization strategies like advertising, premium subscriptions, and AI-driven moderation tools. Its large, engaged user base could lead to significant revenue growth. 3. Instacart, CART. Instacart went public in 2023 and continues to grow in the online grocery delivery sector. As consumer habits shift toward e-commerce and convenience, Instacart's partnerships with major retailers like Kroger and Costco give it a strong competitive edge. Expansion into AI logistics and health-related services may drive future growth. 4. Birkenstock, Birk. This German footwear brand, known for comfort and durability, had its IPO in late 2023. While not a tech stock, Birkenstock is riding a wave of consumer interest in sustainable and functional fashion. Its global brand recognition and expansion into luxury and lifestyle markets make it an attractive retail play. 5. Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a marketing automation platform tailored for e-commerce. It helps businesses personalize customer experiences through email, SMS, and AI tools. Since its IPO, Klaviyo has seen rapid adoption among Shopify users and other small businesses. The digital marketing space is growing fast, and Klaviyo stands out for its strong customer retention. Tips before you invest. Do your research, even promising new stocks carry risk. Study financials, competitors, and industry trends. Diversify, don't put all your money into one sector or company. Think long-term, new stocks can be volatile in the short term, but patience often pays off. Conclusion. These new stocks spanning tech, retail, and services show strong growth potential in 2025. While no investment is guaranteed, adding a few of these emerging players to your portfolio could lead to solid returns if chosen wisely and held with a long-term perspective.